Welcome back to Autoverse. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most impressive parts of the futuristic 2027 luxury motorhome, its stunning kitchen. This isn't just a place to prepare meals, it's a beautifully designed space that combines luxury, technology, and practicality, making every journey feel like living in a five-star hotel. As you enter the kitchen, you're welcomed by elegant wood finishes, premium soft-touch cabinets, and a polished marble-style countertop. Every detail has been carefully crafted to create a modern and luxurious atmosphere. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the space during the day, while ambient LED lighting provides a warm and relaxing feel at night. The kitchen is equipped with a smart induction cooktop that offers fast, efficient, and safe cooking. A built-in convection microwave and oven let you prepare everything from quick snacks to full family meals. There's also a spacious refrigerator and freezer, keeping food fresh for long road trips without needing frequent grocery stops. Storage is another highlight. Cleverly designed cabinets, deep drawers, and hidden compartments provide plenty of room for cookware, utensils, groceries, and cleaning supplies. Every inch of space has been optimized, ensuring the kitchen stays organized and clutter-free. One of the most eye-catching features is the stylish dining area located beside the kitchen. With comfortable seating and a premium dining table, it's the perfect place to enjoy breakfast with a sunrise view or dinner under the stars. Thanks to the motorhome's panoramic windows, every meal comes with breathtaking scenery. Technology plays a major role in this 2027 motorhome kitchen. A smart touchscreen control panel allows you to manage lighting, water systems, battery levels, and climate settings with just a few taps. Energy-efficient appliances help reduce power consumption, making the kitchen ideal for off-grid adventures powered by solar panels and lithium battery systems. Safety has also been given top priority. The induction cooktop minimizes fire risks, smoke and gas detectors provide continuous monitoring, and secure cabinet locks keep everything in place while driving. Even on rough roads, the kitchen remains functional and safe. Whether you're traveling across mountains, relaxing by a lake, or exploring remote destinations, this kitchen offers the comfort of home wherever you go. It transforms everyday cooking into a premium experience, allowing travelers to enjoy delicious meals without sacrificing convenience or style. The 2027 luxury motorhome proves that modern RV living is no longer just about transportation, it's about experiencing luxury on wheels. With its elegant design, advanced technology, spacious layout, and practical features, this kitchen sets a new benchmark for mobile living. If you enjoyed this look inside the future of luxury motorhomes, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Autoverse, and turn on notifications for more amazing automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.